how to find your WhatsApp QR code. So first of all, log into your WhatsApp account, click on the three dot at the right, then you go to settings, and then you see there's a small little icon on top right, which is the QR code. Just click on it, and then you can see this is the QR code for your WhatsApp. So you can have people scan this QR code and then they can directly link to your WhatsApp. So this is a very cool feature to have. I've been seeing it being used in a lot of networking events. It's easier than keying in your phone number, so this can be done very well as well. So if you want to scan other people's code, all you have to do is just go to scan code, and then you can scan the code already. All right? So go to my code, and then you can share code here. Just click on share code, and you can share with Instagram, WhatsApp, or etc. etc. So you can just share the code out. Alright, if you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.